This is a strange looking word. We pronounce it sigh. Sigh, and the phonemic symbols are above. Sigh. It means when we breathe out slowly, making a noise. We use it for sadness, relief, or enjoyment. For example, number 1, the actor is so dramatic, she loves to sigh and cry. 2, he sighed with relief. 3, they all sighed when they saw the wonderful painting. So, for drama, sadness, relief, happiness, enjoyment, sigh, sigh. This is Kim. If you found the video useful, subscribe, click on like, share it with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and that's it. Don't forget the word sigh.